Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering down the PC and router to avoid static and accidental shorts. This protects hardware and simplifies cabling. Once off, locate the Ethernet, RJ45 port on the back or side of your PC. It's wider than phone jacks and often has two LEDs. Make sure you have a CAT5E or CAT6 cable with intact clips. If the clip is broken, replace the cable. Plug one end into the router's LAN port so you can complete the connection in the next step. Now plug the cable into the router's LAN port until you hear a click. This ensures a solid electrical and mechanical connection, so avoid forcing it at an angle. Then insert the other end into the PC's Ethernet port and glance for the LED indicators. Blinking activity means link and data flow. Once both ends are secure, boot the router first, then the PC so the router's DHCP service assigns an IP address. This sequencing reduces chances of timeouts and connection errors. Finally, verify the connection in your operating system. Look at the network icon and open Network and Internet settings to confirm an IP4 address and gateway. If you don't see link lights, swap the cable or try another router LAN port to isolate a faulty cable or port. If addressing fails, restart the network adapter in Device Manager or run ipconfig/renew to request a new IP from DHCP. One key troubleshooting tip: test the cable with another device to confirm whether the issue is cable or PC specific.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.